Yeah, this is the homie Oh So Dope. Right now, he's here fixing the 360 because Microsoft is gay, and I'm gonna show you why. That bullshit right there. See that? Red lights, flashing lights. That's what it is. 3 of them. So I'm gonna work on it and fix it like I did when it broke down on Christmas. And right now it's been out of commission for almost a good month. Broke down February, just before February 19th, I think the 13th. So, matter of fact, it was the 15th. It was a Sunday. So yeah, I'll holler at you when I'm done. Peace.